Here is a wonderful 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, alarm. You need practical, but you want fun. Don't miss out. Get the best of both worlds when you get into this super versatile Tacoma. Come in and meet our expert team. We know what it takes to give you an outstanding test drive experience.